Hey guys, my name's Dora, and I am going to show you how to do a budget-friendly birthday gift. I spent less than $5 on these two items I purchased, which is a loofah set and a pack of nail files. Everything made will match the colors that are shown here. I purchased both of these products at TJ Maxx. Okay, so first up are the bath salts. The key to making bath salts a success is the starch mix. It's going to absorb the polysorbate 80 and fragrance oil so that I can scent the salts without them becoming wet. I can heavily color them without tub residue, and most importantly, it's going to keep the salts dry and clump free. Mixing this up is a bit icky at first, but as the starches begin absorbing the liquid, it'll become dry to the touch. If you do use the starch mix, which I highly recommend, be sure to test the salts. Just squeeze some together in your hand, and if they form a clump that sticks together, you need to add more salt until they don't. When I'm coloring my salts, I like to add a few drops of color at a time, mix it in, and then add more if need be. If you use liquid color, make sure that it's concentrated. Don't use liquid color that's watered down. Always try to avoid adding extra liquid to salts. Mica powder would be the best and easiest in this situation, but I didn't want super shiny and glittery colors. I wanted just pure color here. If you use mica, especially this color, you will be so glad that you used the starch mix that contains the polysorbate 80. Without it, the mica is going to separate and stick to your body in the tub. Both jars used in this video are recycled. Can you believe that this jar is an old marinara sauce jar? I love the shape of it too. I save all my glass jars, which is a huge pain in the butt, but when it comes to stuff like this, I'm so glad that I did. Make sure to tap the jar periodically to pack the salts so that you can accurately measure where each layer needs to begin and end, and also to completely fill the jar full to the top so that even if the jar gets shaken, the layers will remain separated. I tripled the bath bomb recipe here in order to make enough bombs to fill the jar, which made 2 medium bath bombs of each color and then 1 small one of each color. I would highly recommend only using powder color or mica here. It's much easier to guess and measure when you're trying to create a very specific color, but more importantly, it's going to eliminate any chance of causing premature chemical reactions that can lead to a dull bath bomb, like less fizzing, bubbling, etc. This is an empty glitter bottle that I filled with a few different micas. Remember, both packages had gold trim on them, so I'm really trying to play on that. So I'm just going to add a touch of gold to each exterior bath bomb. This giant gold mica is so beautiful. It's like a cross between gold mica and like gold glitter. It's absolutely gorgeous. So to begin, just tap a little bit of mica into one of the molds and then close it and then shake them to distribute the mica. Mica, especially if it's glittery, can become easily airborne, so be careful not to inhale it. Cure bombs at least 24 hours. If you put them in a jar when they're not fully dry, when you go to touch them in a few days, they'll crumble. Here's another recycled jar. Look at the before picture. Oh my god, right? Don't forget to alternate different color and size bath bombs in the jar. And before you make a huge batch of bombs, make sure they fit in the jar that you want to use. You can even test this out by placing a few bath bomb molds in, or maybe like the same size items in the jar, just to see how they fit. I spray painted the lids rose gold on both jars, and I made the labels and the birthday card in rose gold deco foil. I didn't make the tags on string. They were in a scrapbook paper set that I purchased. And I am sorry for the huge orange distraction that is my finger. I cut it trying to get the bath bomb jar label off. Watching this footage now, it's very distracting, so I am very sorry about that. This is my friend Lindsay, and she is the sweetest person that I know. She loved this gift. She would have been happy with whatever I gave her, but I could tell that she genuinely loved it and appreciated it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if this video helped or inspired you, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative bath videos, ideas, and inspiration.